I can say it. Father in heaven, we're so very grateful for this wonderful evening that was given to us, for this opportunity that we have to gather together as a group to try to better understand Chapter 4 in probability. Father, this time we ask you to please guide us and direct us as we go throughout this group study, that we will have thy spirit with us and better understand these principles. Thank you very much, Father, and we offer up this prayer in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
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 Do you have any questions from the reading?
No, but Lily, it's kind of hard to hear you.
Yeah, I'm having the same problem. It's just you too.
Can you hear me now?
It's so weird.
Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a little bit louder.
Yep. You just sound a little bit muffled. You gotta love technology. At least it's not me this time.
Yeah.
Okay. So the speaker on my computer is really slow, so I hooked it up to a Bluetooth speaker, but apparently that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay. So no questions from the reading?
Well, I had one question. When they were doing that exercise at the end about the Powerball, I could not figure out where they came up with the 175,223,510 as part of the probability.
Yeah, I don't think we have to worry about where they came up with it.
Oh, good.
Yeah, because I wonder where they came up with that, but I'm sure there's a reason. I don't know.
I'm like, I hope we're not supposed to know that part yet, because it didn't seem to explain it, so I just wanted to make sure that didn't just fly over my head.
Yeah, I got a little bogged down with all the reading. I don't know, once you start going into probability, my head's like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
All
right.
Well, I don't think I have any questions, so let's start with the first one, I guess. Do we all have the quiz up?
I'm starting it right now.
Yep.
All right, I'm good.
We all good?
Cool. Yep.
Okay, human blood can be classified into one of our basic types, O, A, B, and AB. The proportion of people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types following table. For O, it's 0.45, A is 0.4, B is 0.11, AB is 0.04. The blood types and proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. So does it all equal up to
45, 85. I think so.
Yes.
So a probability distribution is when it all equals 1, or?
Yes.
Okay.
I think so.
So true. We'll find out. Let's take the next one.
I get it. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? Round to 2 decimal places. Would it just be 0.45?
Yeah. Wait.
Is
So
that too simple? don't know.
0.45 over. All right, now I gotta look at this again and remember how I did this before. Yeah, and then the opposite of that would be the next question. So yeah,
Cool.
So it's 0.45.
mm-hmm.
Seems too simple. I'm sorry, but
I know, right? I'm like, is this a trick?
I always get tripped up. Yeah.
I know, because it seems like it should be much more complicated. So then the probability that they do not have type O blood, which is the next one, is 1 minus 0.45. So it's
5.
So it's 0.55.
okay. Yeah, I can actually add. No, really, it's not tonight. 0.55.
Ouch.
Sarah, you want to take the next one?
Sure. Okay. This is 6, right? We're on 6.
Yes.
Okay. Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. Interesting. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. That's awesome. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine, that's nasty, were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples, I'm sorry. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. It's cool, but also nasty. Okay. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability? If the dogs guess at random, they don't guess at random. What is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient?
Wouldn't that just be 1/7?
Yeah, 1/7, which is
0.14.
yeah. Are we going out to? What did they say? How many?
1.
Are we going out to
I'm sorry,
3 or what? 3
yeah,
decimal
so
places.
3. Okay.
143.
142. 3.
3.
Yes, 3. Sorry. Okay.
If a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times, it is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? Despite strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer, there is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. So this provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer.
Yes.
If they get 22,
That's what I was thinking.
54,
Yeah.
it's better than I could.
Mhm.
Well, it's very near to half. So
So yep.
All right.
what did we just do? 7? Okay.
Use the following information to answer the next 3 questions. M&Ms are small chocolate candies. The M&M's website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. Wow. Number 8. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red-colored candy? 0.13.
I don't like these answers. They're too
I
easy,
know.
and that freaks me out. It really, really does freak me out.
We'll have one person in the group submit their quiz just to make sure we got the right.
do it. Okay, so what is the probability that a randomly selected candy is green?
Green.
Right.
Green. Okay, so
I got 0.16.
My daughter's calculator is seriously on crack. What the heck number is coming up?
yeah, 0.16
It's-
is what I got
It's
too.
doing like scientific notation. I said 0.16. I need a regular calculator.
No, 2 decimal places.
To 2 decimal places.
What is the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green?
0.84, right?
Yes. Oh, what did I just do? Okay, good.
Is it my turn? Sorry, I lost track.
It's probably my turn. No, is it your turn? No, is it your turn? I don't know.
Okay, you got it, girl.
I read the bladder one. That was fun. Okay. The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the Western United States were taken from capex.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? Half of the observations are equal.
Wouldn't it be the median?
I think so.
I think so.
Because that's the middle number.
Yep. I agree.
Me.
Yep.
24.
Based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above 27. Yeah?
The top 25% of the students. Okay,
Is it
hold
the
on.
maximum or Q3? I can't remember. No, the maximum is the
Yeah.
like 99 percentile, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
So it would be Q3.
yeah.
Okay. 27.
Yeah,
Yes.
27. Dang it.
13. Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? The probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur. A probability is a number between 0 and 1. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative. The sum of the probabilities is any probability. I'm done.
Okay, can you say that like 3 times fast? I couldn't do that either.
Sorry, I blinked out for a second.
It's the long one.
What's that?
Okay, so if the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low,
Yeah,
then the probability is negative.
there's no such thing as a negative probability.
I submit
Yeah.
my quiz.
Oh, she's doing it.
Oh, it's
Sure,
getting
test.
real up in here.
And 100%.
Nice.
Yeah.
That was the easiest group quiz ever.
I know. I'm like, are you Like
Thanks.
the reading was like getting complicated, and you're like supposed to find the variance and then the standard deviation, and like write out this whole chart. And this homework is like, I can do that. I can do that.
Okay, so
I'm
somewhere
telling you,
in the videos, it said that there was an Excel document like there was in the last one that you could download and enter in numbers and it would give you the standard deviation and all of those. I
think he
never
just
found
made
that
that.
Excel file.
Oh, you want me to email
I was like,
you?
where is that?
Yeah,
The one where
it,
we just like entered in the info and then it just auto-populated everything.
So there was that one last week, and then evidently there was supposed to be another one this week.
Oh, there was.
yeah, for the to calculate the. Yes, I know what you're talking about in the video.
In the video, it says that there's an Excel file to do that with, and I'm like, I never saw the Excel file, and I hope we're not going to need that in the future because I have no idea where that was.
It was for
I was
help
looking all over
calculating
for it.
probability.
Yeah.
I didn't even watch the video. My bad. Well, you know, I noticed since the last video there were a couple things that were outdated, so maybe it's just a little bit older.
Plus, that's
Yeah.
not our actual teacher.
I know. Maybe it's only in his class that we could see it. All right.
Okay, I'm going
All right. So